As we age, maintaining muscle becomes one of the greatest challenges to long-term health and independence. After 60, and especially after 70, the process of muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, accelerates, causing weakness, slower movement, and increased risk of falls. Many people try to fight this by eating more protein, often turning to eggs, chicken, or dairy. But what if I told you that there's a simple, natural, and affordable food that works even better than eggs to rebuild muscle and strength after 70? I'm Dr. Nancy Weller, and today we'll talk about one of nature's most powerful muscle-building foods, lentils, a humble bean that's quietly outperforming animal-based protein sources in both research and real-life results. Lentils are one of the most underrated superfoods on the planet. They're small, but they pack an incredible nutritional punch. A single cup of cooked lentils contains around 18 grams of protein, which is comparable to 3 large eggs. But it's not just about the amount of protein, it's about the quality of that protein and how your body uses it. Lentils are rich in essential amino acids, especially leucine, isoleucine, and valine, known as branched-chain amino acids or BCAAs. These are critical for muscle repair and recovery, especially in older adults whose muscles don't respond to protein as efficiently as they once did. Studies have shown that leucine is the key amino acid that signals your body to start building muscle, and lentils provide it naturally, without cholesterol, saturated fats, or hormones. But that's just the beginning. Lentils offer a major advantage over eggs when it comes to digestibility and metabolic health. As we get older, our digestive system slows down, and many seniors struggle with bloating, gas, or poor absorption of nutrients. Animal proteins like eggs can be harder to digest, especially for those with a sensitive stomach or gallbladder issues. Lentils, on the other hand, are high in both fiber and complex carbohydrates, which work together to support gut health and promote slow, steady digestion. This ensures that your body actually absorbs the protein and amino acids efficiently, rather than wasting them. The fiber in lentils also feeds healthy gut bacteria, which in turn improves nutrient absorption and reduces inflammation, a key factor in age-related muscle loss. Lentils are also a powerhouse of iron, magnesium, and potassium, 3 minerals that play a vital role in muscle function. Iron helps transport oxygen to your muscles, giving them the energy they need to contract and recover. Magnesium supports muscle relaxation, prevents cramps, and improves sleep quality, which is essential for muscle repair. Potassium, meanwhile, balances fluids in your cells and helps prevent the kind of electrolyte imbalances that lead to fatigue and weakness. This combination makes lentils one of the most complete foods for anyone over 70 who wants to maintain strength, energy, and vitality. Now, you might wonder, if lentils are so good, why don't more doctors recommend them over eggs? The truth is that the food industry has spent decades promoting animal proteins as the gold standard for muscle building while overlooking plant-based sources that are just as effective, if not better. But new research is changing that narrative. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that older adults who consumed plant-based proteins like lentils and beans experienced the same improvements in muscle mass and strength as those who ate animal proteins, provided the total protein intake was adequate. Another study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that plant proteins are more sustainable for long-term health, reducing inflammation, cholesterol, and the risk of heart disease, all while supporting lean muscle. For seniors, this is especially important. Many people over 70 struggle with heart issues, high cholesterol, or kidney concerns that make high animal protein diets risky. Eggs, while rich in protein, also contain cholesterol and can increase LDL levels when eaten in excess. Lentils, on the other hand, have zero cholesterol and actually help lower it. Their high fiber content binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract and removes it from the body, supporting both heart and vascular health. That means lentils don't just build muscle, they also protect the heart that pumps life into those muscles. Lentils also have a unique effect on blood sugar control, which is essential for seniors. After 60, insulin sensitivity decreases, and fluctuating blood sugar can accelerate muscle breakdown. The complex carbs in lentils release energy slowly, keeping your blood sugar stable and providing steady fuel to your muscles throughout the day. Unlike eggs or meat, which can cause quick spikes in energy followed by crashes, lentils keep you energized and alert, helping you stay active longer. This steady energy supports regular physical activity, which is the real secret to maintaining muscle mass as you age. Beyond their muscle and heart benefits, lentils are also a rich source of antioxidants and polyphenols that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Chronic inflammation is one of the main culprits behind accelerated aging. It damages muscle cells, weakens joints, and slows recovery after even mild physical activity. Lentils help combat this by neutralizing free radicals and reducing the inflammatory markers that can make muscles stiff or painful. The result? Better mobility, faster recovery, and less soreness after movement. What makes lentils truly remarkable for people over 70 is their ease of use. They are inexpensive, cook quickly, and can be incorporated into a variety of meals. You can add them to soups, stews, or salads, or even blend them into spreads or veggie patties. Unlike meat or eggs, which spoil quickly and often require cooking oils or butter, lentils can be stored for months and prepared with minimal fat, making them a convenient and heart-friendly choice. Just one serving a day can provide a significant portion of your daily protein and fiber needs. For those with sensitive digestion, soaking lentils overnight or using sprouted lentils can further enhance nutrient absorption and reduce gas. Many of my older patients who switched from eggs and animal proteins to lentil-based meals have reported incredible changes. Within weeks, they felt lighter, more energetic, and noticed better endurance during daily activities. One of my patients, Margaret, age 74, struggled with leg weakness and fatigue even after eating high-protein breakfasts with eggs every morning. When she replaced her eggs with a warm lentil bowl rich in herbs, olive oil, and vegetables, her energy improved noticeably. After 2 months, her muscle tone had improved, her cholesterol dropped, and she reported feeling younger than she had in years. It's these real-life transformations that make lentils such a valuable food for seniors. Let's also not forget the role of phytonutrients found in lentils. These natural plant compounds help regulate metabolism, protect your DNA from damage, and support your body's detoxification systems. Unlike animal proteins, lentils come with these extra layers of protection that enhance your body's ability to heal and recover. They nourish your muscles, but they also nurture your overall health. When you eat lentils regularly, you're giving your body the raw materials it needs not just to survive, but to thrive. If you want to make lentils a daily part of your diet, start simple. Replace one animal-based meal per day with a lentil-based dish. You can make a hearty lentil soup, a lentil and quinoa salad, or a simple lentil curry with turmeric and black pepper for added anti-inflammatory power. Pairing lentils with vitamin C-rich foods, like tomatoes or bell peppers, enhances iron absorption and boosts their muscle-building potential. You'll find that they not only satisfy your hunger, but keep you full longer and give you lasting energy throughout the day. As we get older, our bodies change, but the principles of health remain the same. Feed your muscles, protect your heart, and reduce inflammation. Lentils do all three. They're the perfect combination of plant power, protein, and protection, and they're one of the simplest dietary changes that can make a dramatic difference in your strength and quality of life after 70. So next time you reach for eggs or meat, remember, nature has already given us a cleaner, safer, and even more effective source of protein. Lentils aren't just a food, they're a form of medicine for your muscles. By choosing this small but powerful bean, you're taking a big step toward rebuilding your strength, maintaining your independence, and enjoying a healthier, more vibrant life in your 70s and beyond. Forget the expensive protein powders and high cholesterol breakfasts. A bowl of lentils a day can help you stay strong, energized, and confident. Proof that it's never too late to rebuild from the inside out.